to be turning out that way. Let's go to Loch Gilpid and get a different perspective from one of the rural parts of Scotland, from the Argyll and Bute Count. Andreas Wolff is there, and if we've been giving impressive turnout figures, you've got one to beat them all.
Yes, that's true, Glenn. Argyll and Bute, the second largest local authority area in Scotland here on the west coast, with 23 inhabited islands. Now, the ballot boxes have been brought in from some of those islands by helicopter, and one of the helicopter pilots was apparently told on the island of Jura that there had been a 100% turnout. Now, the council can't confirm or deny that figure because of the postal votes, they say. It's difficult to actually exactly establish what the turnout number was, but it's likely to be pretty close to that. What they have just told us, though, is that the turnout figure of postal votes has been 95.3% here in Argyll and Bute.
Andreas, thanks very much indeed for that. And just to put Jura into a little bit of context, there are about 200 people, I think, living on Jura, but an amazing achievement if everybody who was eligible to vote has turned out. We're hearing from Ken MacDonald. We